How to add FAQs for trip with WTravel. WTravel plugin provides features regarding adding FAQs or frequently asked questions of trip and displaying on the single trip page. To know about how to add FAQs for the trip, please follow this step-by-step guide which will lead you to add FAQs easily. First of all, after activation of WTravel plugin, you will see the FAQs tab and the trip options in individual trip page by going to admin panel, trips, individual trips, and FAQs. Here you will be able to see this add FAQ button which you need to click, and you will get option to enter your questions and your answers. Here you can see two available options. Enter your questions, where you will be entering your questions and your answer, and here you will add a relative answer. So here, as you can see, I have added a question and an answer. After adding a question and answer in the respective field, then the FAQs will be displayed under FAQs tab on the single trip page, as could be seen in here. Now if we head over to the front end page, here you will be able to see this FAQ tab, and when you click it, you can see our added question is displaying in here, and when you drop down this menu, you can also see the answer. Now the point to be noted here is that if you do not see this FAQ tab in here, what you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, from there to WTravel and settings. After that, head over tabs, and here you will be able to see this FAQ tab. Click it and make sure the display option is enabled so that your FAQ tab could be displayed in your front end page. WTravel plugin version 5.0.1 added the feature regarding rearranging the FAQs by swapping the FAQs up and down. So as you can see, currently the FAQ page question is on top and the insurance question is on second number. If we head over to WordPress, here you will be able to see you have this option to rearrange these. So you can see the insurance question is on top and the FAQ page question is on second number. Let's just save our changes and head over to the front end page again. So now here in the front end page, you will be able to see that due to rearranging, the insurance question is on top and the FAQ page question is on the second number. So that's a pretty great feature in my opinion. WTravel Pro plugin also provides the feature regarding FAQs. You will be able to add the FAQs globally for every trip. After activation of WTravel Pro plugin, the FAQs feature will be available in WTravel settings by going to WTravel settings and from there to FAQs tab. Here you will be able to see the global FAQs option, and you can also see an add FAQ option button. So here again you will be needing to add questions and answer respectively. So as you can see, I have added question 1. And let me quickly add a question in here. So as you can see, I have added a question and answer for it. Let me save my settings, and now if you want to enable global FAQs for your trips, what you have to do is head over trips and go to a single trip, and from here to FAQs. Here you see on top you have an option of use global FAQs, which is currently disabled. Just enable this option, and you can see use trip FAQs option is disabled. So let's just save our changes and head over to the front end page, and here click on FAQ tab, and you can see our global FAQ question is added in here successfully. Here on your WordPress, you will be able to see that after enabling use global FAQs option, a second option appears which says use trip FAQs. Now if you do want to enable trip FAQs which you added initially, you can do that too. If you enable this option, both global and trip FAQs will be displayed on your front end page. So let's save our changes and head over to front end page. If you click on FAQ tabs, you can see now 3 questions are being appeared, 2 which were added from the trip section and 1 was added globally, and all of them could be seen in here. And similarly, if you disable use trip FAQs and head over to the front end page, you will be able to see that only global FAQs will be displaying in here. If you want to display the global FAQs on a page or post as per your requirement, then don't worry, we have a shortcode, so please add this shortcode in a page or post as you can see in here, and your question will be displayed. So yeah guys, that pretty much sums up our video. If you learned something new, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends, and until next time, peace.